Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock the keys on your Garmin Forerunner 5.5 watch. I think this is a feature a lot of people don't use. I tend to use it when I'm sleeping in the watch so that my buttons aren't accidentally getting pressed throughout the night. So you have a couple different options with locking the keys on this watch. First, let's just start by pressing a couple buttons. Press the up button, takes me to my widget listing, press the down button. I didn't have to do anything special. I simply press those buttons, I'm going to press the back button, everything works fine. If I wanted to lock it, the easiest way to do it is to press and hold the top left button on the watch. After a couple of seconds, it will take you into your control menu. The control menu on this watch is not editable, so you're always going to have these values in your control menu. I'm simply pressing the up or down button, and the one that you're looking for is lock keys. If I go to that value and simply press the top right button, I've manually locked my keys. So now, if I press any button, it gives me a lock icon. I would have to unlock it to be able to use those features. So how do we unlock it once it's locked? All you're going to do is pick any button and press and hold it, and after a couple of seconds it will unlock the watch. So now I've unlocked it. The watch will not lock again until I manually lock it, if I just do it manually in manually unlocking it. However, we could use the auto lock feature on this watch so that the watch will automatically lock your keys for you. And I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to press and hold the middle button on the left hand side of the watch. That will take us into our menu. And then under menu, we could use either up or down. And I'm going to simply press the up button because we need to go to system, which is the last value on the watch. I'm going to press the top right button to go into system. And then under system, again, you can use up or down. We're going to go down until we see auto lock. You can see that it's currently off. If I press the top right button, you have some options. Always means the watch will always automatically lock your keys throughout the day, throughout the night, when you're in an activity, when you're not in an activity. During an activity means the watch will automatically lock the keys only when you're doing an activity. So if I was out doing a walk or a jog, my keys would be locked. If I'm not in an activity, they wouldn't automatically lock. I could set it the opposite to say, lock my keys throughout the day unless I'm doing an activity, then don't lock them. I don't really know why you would use those different features. I've never had a use for it. To me, it's either an always or an off. But I'm going to go ahead and just set it to always. I'm going to press the top right button to confirm my changes. And now if I just sit here, I'll show you guys what the auto lock does. Now I'm not pressing any buttons. I think it's 10 seconds. The watch automatically locked itself. Still on the same screen. If I press the back button, it's locked. So I'm going to have to unlock it every time I want to do anything if I've got it set to automatically lock. I know a lot of people do different jobs, so maybe this is a feature that would be beneficial for you, but that is how you use the lock and auto lock feature on your Forerunner 5.5 watch. I hope the video helped.